We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the Endoscope camera with light by Daxiang Mao. This versatile borescope camera has been making waves as a practical tool for DIY enthusiasts, mechanics, and anyone needing to inspect hard-to-reach areas. If you own this product, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The standout feature of this Endoscope camera is its 4.3-inch IPS LCD display, which eliminates the need for a smartphone or additional software. Users appreciate how easy it is to operate straight out of the box. Just power it on and it's ready to go. This design choice makes it especially appealing for those who want a hassle-free experience without risking their smartphones in dirty or hazardous environments. The screen provides a clear and sharp image, which many users found sufficient for most inspection tasks, though some noted that it's not the highest resolution available on the market. Another highlight is the 1080p HD camera with 8 adjustable LED lights. The slender 8mm camera head is perfect for navigating tight spaces, and the brightness of the LEDs ensures visibility even in dark or poorly lit areas. The semi-rigid 16.4-foot cable strikes a balance between flexibility and rigidity, allowing users to guide the camera effectively while maintaining control. However, some users mentioned that the cable can lose its ability to hold angles after extended lengths, which might limit its maneuverability in certain situations. The IP67 waterproof rating is a major plus, enabling the device to be used in wet environments such as plumbing systems or outdoor inspections during rainy weather. Many users found this feature invaluable for tasks like checking pool equipment or inspecting pipes without worrying about water damage. The aerospace-grade connector further enhances its durability, ensuring reliable performance over time. This Endoscope camera has proven to be a time saver for various applications. Users have reported using it for car maintenance, home inspections, HVAC repairs, and even cleaning ductwork by attaching it to a vacuum cleaner. It's also been used to locate dropped items in hard-to-reach places or inspect behind walls without causing damage. One user shared how they used it to identify a tear in an air duct and check insulation behind a furnace. Another mentioned using it to investigate a mysterious hole under their home's foundation. These examples highlight its versatility and practicality for both professional and personal use. Despite its many advantages, there are some drawbacks worth noting. The camera lacks the ability to record images or videos, which several users wished it had. While this limitation might not be a deal breaker for everyone, it does reduce its functionality compared to more advanced models that offer recording capabilities. Additionally, the device doesn't include Bluetooth or an SD card slot, which might be expected at higher price points, but are understandably absent given its budget-friendly cost. Another minor criticism is the lack of dedicated storage for the device. While it comes with Velcro straps for cable management and can be stored back in its box, some users felt that a custom storage case would have been a nice addition. The included accessories, a hook, magnet, and side mirror, are useful but not always sufficient for every task. For instance, one user reported that the hook detached while retrieving an item, prompting them to improvise with additional tools. The build quality of this Endoscope camera has received positive feedback overall. Users found it sturdy and well made for its price point. The rechargeable battery is another appreciated feature, offering hours of use on a single charge. One user noted that they used it intermittently for over 2 hours and still had battery life remaining. In terms of value for money, this product shines brightly. Priced at just $33 at the time of writing, it delivers impressive performance and functionality without breaking the bank. Many reviewers emphasize that while it may not have all the bells and whistles of higher-end models, it more than makes up for it with its affordability and practicality. To sum up, this Endoscope camera with light by Daxiang Mao is an excellent tool for anyone needing an affordable yet effective inspection device. Its ease of use, clear display, waterproof design, and versatile applications make it a worthwhile investment for DIYers and professionals alike. While it has some limitations, such as the inability to record footage and limited cable maneuverability, it remains a highly recommended product for those on a budget. If you're considering purchasing this Endoscope camera or already own one, don't forget to check out the product link in the description to support our channel. And if you've used this product yourself, please share your experience in the comments below to help others decide if it's right for them.